Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorial how to create custom cube. So if you want to create custom cube, you can click this icon add cube and then I will click from this point into here. So it will be the 2D sketch for cube and then can move to the top to create cube like this. You also can create cube by center point. You can change in these points and then you can set origin from center point to be create the cube from the center point. And you also can set by fix the dimension. So to be fixed dimension for width and height. You can see in it. Fix and then you can move to the top here. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorial how to create custom cube. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.